I'm Todd Lyons on the Fat Ripper. Let's raise it up. Hey, I'm Todd Lyons, the SE brand manager, and here we have the Fat Ripper. Fat Ripper is really one of the most unique bikes on the market. We took the PK Ripper frame design and we put 26 by 3.50 big fat tires on it. And what we've done essentially is we've created the world's first fat BMX. The frame has a lot of the same design aesthetics as the legendary PK Ripper, such as the flowable tubing on the top tube and down tube, the loop tail rear end on the rear, even the little gusset brace right behind the C-tube is the exact same looking style as on the original PK Ripper. The rims are 55 millimeters wide, and if you look closely, you can see we have weight-saving cutouts, which are actually the outline of the SE logo. The 26 by 3.5 tires are big enough to just monster truck anything. The Fat Ripper has disc brakes front and rear. And on the stem also, we have the 40 years logo carved out in there. The Fat Ripper has created its own category. There's really no other bike on the market like the 26-inch Fat Ripper. This bike can do so much more than a normal BMX bike can. It can ride up steps, it can donk curbs, it wheelies like a dream. Literally, you can take this bike and you can just monster truck anything. There's no stopping the Fat Ripper.